Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to buy IKEA products from overseas. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in ikea.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to IKEA if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the shopping, favorite products, gift registry, and your account. Also the search bar in the top of the screen. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile that you can go and find. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy IKEA products from overseas. So buying IKEA products from overseas can be straightforward if you follow these steps. So check first the eligibility. The IKEA offers international shipping to countries without IKEA stores. If your country has an IKEA store, you should order directly from your local area website. But if you don't, you have to, of course, do another thing. Of course, you need to go and create a IKEA website and create an IKEA family account, for which we have other videos on our YouTube channel. Make a shopping list, add the items you want to order for shopping list. Once done, send your account details and shipping list to IKEA's international sales department at international.sales at inter@ikea.com. Then get a quote. IKEA will provide a quote and time aligned for your order. Then confirm and pay. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.